Piano Maestros! Welcome to your second piano lesson with me, Abby, and Penny the piano.
Hello again!
Let's go over what you've learned in our first lesson. We learned the little group, numbers 1 and 2. And now we will learn our next special group, the big group. We will call this group 4, 5, and 6. Can you say that with me? Number 4, number 5, number 6. Great job! Now we will take the time to get to know our big group and find them all over the keyboard. Remember, you can pause the video to do this. Great job! Now that we know our big group, let's practice. Using the numbers 4, 5, and 6. Now let's go back to our faraway land. Okay, now we are ready. Here are our numbers. Remember, as they move towards the lit-up line, play the number that you see. Great job! Now that you've practiced with no music, we will practice this again with the music. Awesome job! That's it for today's lesson. Feel free to replay this lesson playing a few times each day. You've got this. Bye, friends. Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone!